Hello and welcome to this channel. This is Efogo Joseph, your anchor person at the free genuine airdrops. In this video, I'll be showing you how to participate in the XENEA airdrops. First, I need you to understand that XENEA is not one of those Telegram airdrops that have been messing people up. It's an airdrop that you will participate in by downloading the app from the Google Play Store. But I'm going to be showing you step by step on what to do to maximize your chances on this airdrop. First, if you have not subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button and subscribe to us so that whenever new videos are published, you will get notification. All right, thank you if you have done that. Now let's move ahead to the main issue for today. XENEA airdrop. Let's quickly find out what is XENEA airdrop and what is it all about. Okay, so let's quickly take a look at what XENEA Airdrop is. An innovative layer 1 blockchain platform focused on revolutionizing decentralized data storage, aiming to set a new global standard for data infrastructure with a focus on sustainability, security, and accessibility. Here's a more detailed breakdown of XENEA. Focus on decentralized data storage. XENEA aims to address challenges in digital asset management and data storage, offering solutions for tokenizing real-world assets, the RWAs, and creating a robust foundation for evolving blockchain ecosystem. So it talked about being a layer one and all that, a layer one blockchain, and the key features: security and durability, long-term data consistency, interoperability, EVM compatibility, and so on. Then it has a wallet, which is the XENEA wallet. Then the XENEA wallet is is a cryptocurrency wallet built for the XENEA ecosystem, combining a robust wallet layer with an innovative voting module and empowering users to participate in mining via proof of delegation. All right, so that is it about XENEA. So if I send you a registration link, what you need to do is just to click on the link, and at the end of this video you are going to see my link in the video description area as well as in the comment box, the comment area. So you use that link to join. You will also see the code, invitation code, which you might need after you have downloaded the app and you decide to create an account. They might ask you to put the invitation code. Make sure you copy the invitation code and add to that area. So let's go to what you need. Now, this is your Google Play Store. And if you want to download the XENEA app, this is how it looks like. So, but after you have clicked on my link, you will be redirected to where you will pick the option either to use your Google Play Store for Android, or you are going to use the Apple Store, whatever it is, to download for your iPhones. So, but this is a sample of what the icon looks like. Now, in this area, you will now see install. I have installed my own. That is why you are seeing this. You see installed, and then you click on it and install it into your phone. Then, having installed it, we will move forward to open it. If you open it, you will now see something like this. All right. Let's look at a few things you need to do. First of all is to go to the settings. All right. When you come to the setting, you click on the user profile and open it. Okay. User profile, you'll now see here. Okay. So you click on that to take your own selfie. To take your own selfie, and save it. Then you can now do other things. Here you can change your username. Initially, in this place, you will have a specific number that looks like a code, but when you click on it, you can change it. Can you see now? You can just erase this and put your own username. So whatever that was given to you that was like that, you need to just put 10 to 20 letters as your username, whatever it is, 10 to 20 characters. Okay, so that is it about changing your username. You go back to the profile again, you choose your country, you verify that that is your email address, and then you can integrate your Zili account into it. You can also go to Google Play Store and click on their chat 3.1 and join that. After you have joined, you can also come here and integrate. If you're on this also, you integrate depending on which of them you have. Okay, if you have done that, we'll go back to the main area. Now, if you want to give your referral code to someone, how do you do it? You just come to this area that says mission and open it. All right. So now that you are in the missions area, you click on the logo again. You can see that there are two things here. This one is there, the logo is there. So you click on the logo and scroll down. Okay. So you now see here, it says invite more friends. So for every friend you invite, you get 1,000 gems. So when you click on that invite friends, okay, you see here is your invitation link. To copy it, you click here. Why this is your invitation code, the other one I was talking of, that you might also have a box where you will be asked to paste your invitation code. So note this code, this one, the 167M, capital V, 9, capital H, then small t, Z, and small l. So that is it. You click here again to copy it. So if you are sending your invitation code to someone, your invitation link, remember to copy this and also remember to tell them about your invitation code. All right. So let's go back again. Now, there are things you will be participating in every day to collect some gems. Here is their social links or whatever. You go to their S account and follow XENEA. You also go to the S account and follow their CEO. If you have a Discord account, you also join on Discord and collect some points for every of these action that you carry out. Then on Telegram, you can also join their official Telegram group. If you have a Zili account, you also integrate your Zili account and every other thing that needs to be added. This one, I don't have this account and I have not added it until I'm able to create one and then eventually come back to integrate. Okay, so we'll go back to our home. We'll go back to our home, which is this. All right, you can see that every day you come here, you need to claim some gems. Yesterday I claimed 84, the previous date was 92. So let's claim to this one and see how many they're going to give to us. So I click on that now. You now see they have given me another 89. So great job. Okay, that is it for today. Tomorrow again, I'll come back to claim another free one. But here, sorry, okay, the mining area, you are going to be mining some coin. But let's look at the condition. Oh, sorry, something went wrong. Okay. Yesterday, I was told, when I started, I was told some things needed to be done. But as of today, I am told I still need 2,758 more gems to be able to start mining, meaning that I will just be coming here, collect free gems on daily basis, add the social, whatever, the activities that need to be performed, the tasks that need to be performed until this one is cleared off. And then I cannot start mining. Okay, so when you join, make sure you do the same thing. All right. So those are the basic things that you should do while you are here. And remember to add your friends so that you can easily climb. Because for every friend that you invite, you get 1,000 gems. If I have like three friends now, I'll be able to clear off this area, this requirement, and I will start mining. All right. So remember also that this app or this XENEA stuff has a wallet, and that wallet is attached to it. So when the time comes, everything that you need to do, you will perform them until the time for distribution of airdrops and all that. I am sure that before then, any other thing that needs to be done will be related to us by the management of or the team of this project. So that is it. Remember to use my referral link that you are going to see in the beginning on the description page as well as in the comment section. Thank you. If you find this video helpful, remember to share it, remember to like it, and leave a comment to make this video channel interactive, to also help us to know the best way to serve you. Thank you. See you in my next video. Have a lovely day.